Okay, so let's say this is our background. And we want to put this sky in instead of this blue one. So we got these two images. We got this sky and we got this background. We want to end up with this finished product. Or something like it. I didn't mask everything out of here, but this is what we're going to work towards. Okay, so we're going to do this demo. So this is our background and this is our sky. So I'm going to go into this image and I'm going to go to blend if. And what channel would I work with?
Blue.
The blue channel. I'm going to go to the blue channel. And what do I want to do? I'm on current layer.
Always select blue.
I want to hide the blue pixels, right? So I'm coming down here to current layer. I'm going to slide this over. Now you see I'm losing my windmill too. Bring this back some. The nice thing about this is this image that we're going for up here has some blue up here. So again, this is a blending technique. So you may have to mask some of this in and out, but I'm bringing some of this back. So maybe about right there. Soft enough. Say okay. And now we'll put our other one down below. And you may have to do a little masking. I mean, you may have to come up here, throw a little mask on here with a soft brush, brush out this area up here that's a little bit too dark and let that come through. You may have to mask out a little bit around this thing here. But again, for the most part, we've done that replacement. Let me show you another one here. So in this case, let's see here, what do I got? I've got a, put a green layer on so you can see what's going on. This is the sky we'll put in. This is the layer we're gonna start with. Oh, that's already got the blending option on it. So let's bring this up here. And let's remove this blue sky. So go to the FX panel, blending options, to the blue channel. I'm going to slide this across until we get rid of the blue. I'm going to soften it up some. Now if we go in really close, we'll see that we lost some blue in here, right? So as you can see up here, when I did this, I masked that back in. So I'm going to turn on my sky. And you can see where that sky went into here. So to fix those kinds of things, what you do is you put another copy of the original on top. And then you just put a black mask, right? So what I did was, first I did the blend if, right? So I did the blend if, and then I looked for areas that were problems. So this isn't really transparent. This got a little bit, I lost some pixels in here. I lost the pixels here. So put a copy of the original back on top, right? And then put a totally black mask on it to hide everything, and then just paint back in show you the mask. I just painted back in those little areas from the original that I had lost in the blend if calculations, right? So that way I'm recovering, and I probably need to go back over here and recover these too. So I'd grab a brush. I don't know where my brush panel is. Somehow my brushes got turned off. Oh, I pulled it out because it's too big. All right, we'll just leave it up here. So on my brushes, I like to say I'm a brush builder. I don't like to have to build a brush every time. So I keep brushes for every little thing that I need to do. So I have like these little bitty brushes already built for these kinds of things. So I just come over here and, oops, carefully brush that back in on the mask. So you can see I would put that back in. So that's what you would do, is just add those couple of little things in that you lost as part of the selection.